Hey, welcome to Live DIY. I am Blake at the hangar, and last time I showed you how to remove the stainless steel PEX cinch clamps with ordinary hand tools. It worked, but it wasn't particularly convenient, and a lot of you mentioned in the comments that it's not easy to do that in a cramped workspace. Today's video is sponsored by iCrimp, the maker of this combo installer and removal tool, model number BJ03. So let's find out if it makes the job easier or if it's just a specialty tool that you don't really need. First thing I notice is it's heavy. It has a ratcheting mechanism, as you can hear, that clicking. The fact that the business end of this closes so incrementally as I work the handle indicates a significant mechanical advantage. Translation: it might not take a lot of effort to get this thing to work. The only other thing that moves on this is a switch in the back, and it changes it from a cutter to an installer. Press the button, let me get a camera. Pressing the back button raises it, and then you can turn it to 1 to install or 2 to remove. Now mine's a little bit tight, so it just happens that a 10 millimeter fits right on there and makes it a lot easier. Okay, let's try it on the desk first. So I know it's pristine conditions, but it's just for demonstration purposes. I'll join these two pieces of PEX, 3/4 inch PEX. First, the stainless steel PEX cinch clamps goes onto each pipe. Then the fitting goes on snugly. The switch is on number 1 to install it, and here we go. Okay, it's very little effort. It takes a couple seconds to finish, but not bad. Now let me install this other one with my old tool. Now, this is also from iCrimp. I've had this for years, but let's see the difference between the two. Do this. You really got to take advantage of these long arms. Okay. So, tough to do in a small space. Faster, but harder. Now, this new tool is supposed to be able to remove the clamp. So, switching it to 2. Wait, I have to reset it. Okay, switching it to 2. According to the website, you clamp it like this, but you cut it sideways. So the tool is parallel to the pipe. So let me get close up here. I'm gonna go ahead and just clamp it there. And to see how hard this is too. Oh, you kind of need 2 hands, but it's starting to twist on me. The tool doesn't reset until you go full on. Now, even though they told me to cut it like this, I'm gonna see just what happens if I cut it like this. I'm in number 2, and I'm just gonna see if it works. It's a little more dramatic, but it does work. Now, I'm going to apply a little bit of heat. I should be able to separate these. Right. Ooh. We all know bench tests are easy. So for anyone finding themselves working on PEX plumbing in less than ideal conditions, maybe under a trailer or under a sink or in a pit or in the rain, here is a nice cramped space for you. And in next week's video, I'll be putting our new iCrimp BJ03 installer and removal tool to the test to see if it can do this job. Thanks for watching. Check the description for discount links to this tool or visit iCrimptools.com to learn more about them.